Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the chroma key feature in CapCut. This feature allows you to remove a specific color from your video clip, which is perfect for creating green screen effect and other types of visual effects. So let's dive in and see how it is done. First, we are going to open up the CapCut app and now select the video. I'll be choosing this video and tap on add. And now we are going to add overlay and choose our green screen video. I have this video with me. I'm just going to add it, and just like that, I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to make it a little bigger. And now by selecting this video, let me show you how you can remove the green screen from here. Just by sliding from the down, you can see there's a cutout option. Just tap on it. And now just tap on the chroma key option. You can choose any color by using this slider. I'm choosing this green color. And after that, when the color is picked, go to the intensity. Just increase the slider until it removes the color that you want to remove. Just tap on the stick icon, and there you have it. And now you can choose the background video and decrease its size so that will cover up the whole screen. And there you have it. You can also add some of the shadows. Just go to the chroma key and tap on the shadows. This will add some of the shadows to the edge of the video. Hit this tag icon. Now I'm going to play the video. And you can see with the chroma key, we have removed a color from a video. And in insert, we got this result. Just go back again and again. And now you can play the video to see the changes. Finally, export your video clip by tapping on the export button on top right corner. You can also select the resolution of your video. And once you're happy with it, just tap on it. Once your video clip has finished exporting, you can share it with your friends, family, or post it on social media. And that's all for today's tutorial on how to use chroma key feature in CapCut. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and you can use this feature to create some amazing videos. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.